I'm homeless. I'm gonna live on the streets from now because dad kicked me out of the house. Not gonna take me inside the house, so
काही काय नको आत्ताचं वय असतं ना ते कसं असतं माहिती आहे का मला वडाय जसं पिकातलं डोर किती हाकलं फिर येतं पिकावर
मला काय सांगते
कसं असतं माहिती आहे का ज्या त्या गोष्टी ज्या त्या वेळात करायच्या असतात 19, 20, 21 ती हापापलेली असतात ना ह्या वयामध्ये काही कळत नाही पोरांना कळत नाही पोरींना कळत नाही कुणाबरोबर त्या अफेअर करू शकतात कोणतरी येते टाइमपास कर एवढ्या लांबणं इकडून तिकडून नाही अजिबात चालणार
काय
सांगता आलं फोन करायचं असं
नाही लगेच नको अभ्यास आहे जरा अभ्यास आहे सोड मला टाइम नाही लेट होते सो ही इज अँग्री लाईक हेल लाईक टोटली अँग्री आय एम डेड I just hope now if he follows me, I told my mom to call me like if he follows me or something. So let's see. I'm so scared. I'm really scared. Started talking really bad stuff. I don't know. This proves that, honey, I can't. And you know, basically, these Indian parents are like, they ask you like
that
they basically tell you that you can share everything with us, you can be friendly with us, and then when we try to be freaking friendly, this is what happens. Let's go, and I'll just go somewhere, sit somewhere nicely, and then talk to you all. I can't film it while driving, so basically I thought he might follow me, but he didn't follow me. So yeah.
हॅलो
मला टाइम लागेल
थोडा वेळ लागेल म्हणती
So you heard the call, right? That's what it happened, and I don't know. Guys, I parked my गाड़ी and this, I know this is cute for you guys, but this is not cute for me. Oh my god. Thank god. Oh my god. What do you think? Oh my god, he's so cute. I know, but I'm scared, guys. I don't like, please. So I have my pizza over here. I literally feel, why did I even got it? But now I have to eat it. So for that, I didn't want to get a sanitizer. So I got myself a hand soap. I used to use this soap in school. I'm getting a call. हाँ
हॅलो
बोल
झाला का
काय नाही अजून. I'll just set the camera and talk to you all. Okay, so almost it's night. So I didn't want to take the sanitizer. That's why I took this. I'm such a genius, guys. It took me forever to drive here because the Domino's is far away and we have our pizza and this is gonna be my date. And my dad is thinking I'm with a guy. Oh my god, this is terrific. People are watching me like I'm talking to myself. I literally thought this would be the quietest place to vlog and talk. But this is the worst. The camera quality has been dead lately. Also, it's dark. I don't have sunlight or nothing on my face. I'm not sure if I want to eat here, but I think it's fine. It's just the problem about the corona. This is actually a face wash, but I'm using it like a hand wash. I hope it kills all the corona on my hand. I hope it does. And I'm gonna go home and also shoot how he's gonna react. I don't know if I'm gonna tell him right now or directly he gets to know when I upload the video, but he has reacted the worst. Like, he has talked a lot.
हॅलो
हाँ
मला काही खाती आहे असा आवाज आहे ना मला
नहीं. I'm trying to enjoy my pizza at the same time because I'm eating pizza after 8 months. Like, especially Domino's pizza. We do make homemade pizza, but Domino's hits different sometimes. Though it's not healthy. But I'm so happy to eat it after so many months. But this is the situation where I'm standing and eating. That's real bad. Okay, we were talking about the brown parents. These brown parents, you know, I won't talk much because then I do have to upload this video. So I won't talk much. So that's all. This is my last piece. I'm just gonna go right now and let's see. I might film the reaction. My stomach is full. I literally feel that I'm homeless. I'm gonna live on the streets from now because dad kicked me out of the house. Not gonna take me inside the house. So I might cut few things from what all he said, but you must like this video, guys. Also, please don't judge because this was my first prank and I tried my best because this was like a really original prank. So comment down below if you want more. Let's see how he's gonna react when I'm home because I'm late. It's been 1.5 hours, so I should go now and stop talking. I don't know why there are so many dogs everywhere. Like, why? These dogs are watching me like, what is wrong with you? We are home, guys. We are in the building and oh, there's a cat. See? I don't like cats too, guys. I wish I would have came here first because this light is really great. And I was looking so dumb without light. Okay, so we are going up. I go for jogging and walking and also to, you know, practice scooty. I should get my scooty and my car a year back, but I have not yet got it. I do have the license. I got the learning license. I got the original license. I have everything, but I don't have a car or a scooty. So from few months and days I'm getting my scooty, that too a little bit. So you know the problems of a brown people, of Indian people. I literally watch so many YouTubers. I freaking wish, like, you know, I drive and vlog. I don't know when that day is gonna come. That day is gonna come in few days, months, years. I don't know. So it is what it is. They're gonna call me again and again. Now dad is calling. Dad, if you're watching this, I don't have a boyfriend. I'm single. I'm a good girl. But today what all you said was really bad. And also, if you want to be friendly, be friendly. Don't be a hypocrite and try to change your words. First you say you want to be friendly and then you say you don't want to be friendly.
Why, Dada? Why? This is business.
And try to beat my ass up. You have to change. I'm scared. I'm gonna keep the recording and everything on so you guys can also hear me. I'm so freaking happy. I don't know why, but I'm so freaking happy. I don't know how this... I literally have to fix this video in the editing because the video has turned out really bad. का कपडे का यायचं कुठे होतं तुम्हाला?
मला कळालं सीट मिळायची आणि आपण नंतर जर बोलू
काय बोलायचं?
एका विषयावर बोलायचं होतं.
कुठला विषय?
आहे एक विषय तुझ्या अबाउट युअर करिअर अँड फ्युचर बद्दल
नाही प्लीज नको.
नाही बोलायचं.
नाही.
तुला वाईट काय नाही बोलणार. तू सांगितलंच नसेल समज.
किती वाजता
सांगायचं
असं सांग.
बाहेर जर तू असं कधी दिसलीस
मग सांगितलं तरी असं का बिहेवियर करतात.
तुला काय रॉंग बोललो नाही. आलेलं का तू पोरगा
शक्य ऑब्विसली
होता, शाहरुख खान होता.
हो सलमान खानच होता असं समजा ना. माझ्यासाठी तो माझा सलमान खान आहे, जसं आईसाठी तुम्ही सलमान खान
पण
आहात.
तू एका बापाला सांगतेस ते मला ते बोलायचं नाही. सलमान खान होता, शाहरुख खान होता, आमिर खान होता, ते नाही, ते महत्वाचं नाही. हे आता योग्य आहे का?
बॉयफ्रेंड आहे का फ्रेंड?
अगं कोण आहे परत तेच. ही गोष्ट आता योग्य आहे का या वयामध्ये?
मी लहान आहे का डॅडी?
आता लग्न करायचं का तुला? इच्छा आहे का?
एक मिनिट, हेच
पूर्वी व्हायचे
प्रॉब्लेम आहे
लग्न.
ना ब्राऊन चिल्ड्रन आणि इंडियन पॅरेंट्सचा, की काही सांगितलं की
We are
तुम्हाला
not
लग्न
in- आपल्याला
करायचं
खूप
का?
problem जो आहे ना,
2020
फक्त 10,000 वर्ष आपण जंगलात.
आम्ही तुम्हाला प्रँक केला डॅडी. कसं वाटतंय?
सकाळपासून ठरवलंय.
सकाळ नाही 2 दिवसापासून
नाही,
ठरवलं.
काल जेवण
फ्रॉम 2 days वी आर प्लॅनिंग. सो हाऊ यू फील डॅडी?
आय फील
But that-
मी आता मारू.
काय बोलायचं डॅडी? सांगा ना काहीतरी. आय थॉट यू वुड एक्सेप्ट इट बट यू डिडंट.
आय डोंट नो.
You did as I expected.
This is not your age to do these things. Okay. You know, you have to focus on your study. You have to focus on your YouTube channel, editing, creativity.
मग ते युट्यूब चॅनलसाठीच केलंय मी.
तेच की.
How do you feel,
How do
Daddy?
you feel?
I feel I'm in sadma, you know.
He is in sadma.
I'm
He is shocked.
yes.
बघ ना, intuition येणार
आणि
होते ना.
15 दिवसापासून भेटत होती.
Bye.
चला बाय. You started getting angry, that's why I turned this into a prank. But actually, it was not a prank. I went with him. Want to see?